Hi guys, Ben here from PaxPower Performance Trucks in Houston, Texas, with the next iteration of our 2024 F-150 builds. We initially showed you this truck in stock form, then we brought you our new Alpha Sport build, and this is the next level up. And this is one we've been doing for several years for customers all over the world, and we call this the Alpha. What makes this truck special is the suspension. Instead of some cheap lift kit or some inexpensive shocks, this is the real deal. This is all OEM Raptor suspension, from control arms to shocks to extended axles, steering links, everything. This is the same thing that comes on a Raptor at the dealership. But you can put this on any F-150. In this case, we did a single cab, but you can apply it to anything. We also pair this with one of our favorite pieces out there, this Ram Air hood. It's a fantastic hood. We really like it. Put it on a lot of trucks. And then also we show on the Alpha build our Alpha fender flares. We make these fender flares locally. You can't get them anywhere else. We won't ship them out. The only way to get this look is to call us and get an Alpha. We've done a couple of other things on this truck that you can customize or make specific to your Alpha. Things like the wheel choice. These are 17-inch method wheels wrapped in 35-inch BFG tires, but you can choose whatever you like. And then at the front end of this one, we're trying out the Gen 3 Raptor bumper. We did that on a lot of 2018 to 2020 F-150s and really liked the look. So we're trying it out here, and we think it does look pretty cool and gives people an idea of what suspension is riding under it. They see the Raptor bumper, they see the Raptor control arms, and they have a good idea of what you want. Some may also want to take these Alphas and put superchargers on them, and we'll be doing the same to ours shortly, but know that we can deliver this truck in its short, lightweight form with 775 horsepower. Now, we know a lot of you are not in the market for a single cab, and to be honest, we're crew cab people as well. We bought this single cab as our shop truck because it's fun, it's fast, it's unique, but we understand that's a limited market. So what we did today was we made sure that we had a crew cab truck here as well. Granted, this truck back here is a 2023 model, so it has the older front end, but we'll give you an idea of what the Alpha package looks like on a crew cab model. You see that has the same lifted ride height, wide stance from the Raptor control arms, uses the same awesome hood. You can actually kind of see the details a little bit more in this gray paint. And then this one also gives you an idea of what this build looks like with the factory F-150 bumper. With the flares, give you an idea of how a lot of these Alphas are going to come out. And then we also upgraded this one with the OEM trimmer skid plate. We think gives us a nice finished look. If this is something you're interested in, it is a great build riding on really high-end suspension, gives you the ride quality, the performance, the stance of a Raptor, but it can be applied to any F-150 regardless of cab, regardless of engine, regardless of trim. So it is a very versatile package. If you think this is something you'd like to explore and come up with an Alpha of your own, the first step is always the same. Give us a call at PaxPower. We'd love to hear from you.